Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove BMW 1 Series radio, only way. Disconnect the battery negative terminal before starting to avoid shorts. Start by folding seats forward and clearing the footwell for access. Use a plastic trim tool to pry off the fascia slowly, working evenly around the edges. Keep screws and clips in a small container so nothing gets lost during the process. Begin by unscrewing visible fasteners and easing the radio free toward you. Support the radio with one hand while you unclip the wiring harness with the other. Press the release tab on the antenna connector and wiggle it straight out to avoid damage. Check for hidden screws behind cup holders or storage trays and remove them before attempting a full extraction to avoid tearing any plastic tabs. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: those leak-proof meal prep containers are perfect for keeping screws and small parts organized while you work, and they stop greasy hands from making a mess. I use them on every job to separate bolts and clips. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Handle connectors gently and label each plug to speed reassembly and prevent cross-connection. Keep a magnetic tray for screws and small parts so none fall into tight cavities. If you plan to replace the head unit, bench test it with the correct adapter before installing. Reconnect the battery last and verify functionality of speakers, radio, and any steering controls before returning trims and seats to their original positions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.